totally out of expectation of seeing this. The bottom out cane blade and the brass spinner, as you can see. The lights are a bit oversized. You can see. Very quiet. This seems like a hotel room. This seems like a hotel or something. There's a boy that came out of the room a while ago, but did not make any noise. No fans over there, but they have cool light fixtures though. And it's very cool chandelier. I'm not gonna turn on the fan, I don't know where the switch is. No bubbles in, no bulbs are in. I have no idea why. Very quiet. Probably made in the UK or something. It's a beautiful fan. There it is.